Hello, everybody, and welcome to your art center. Today, we are going to be drawing a ukulele, and then we're going to write about it. Ukulele is a strange word, isn't it? And it's also hard to spell, so I'm going to write it here for you. Ukulele. U-K-E-L-E. Ukulele. This is actually a Hawaiian word, and it literally means jumping flea. Isn't that strange? This thing right here does not look like a jumping flea to me, but it's a fun word to say, and it begins with the U sound, the long U sound. Ukulele. Okay, so make sure you have a blank sheet of paper and your pencil. And we're going to draw this together step by step. So we start by drawing the body of the ukulele. And to do that, I'm just going to draw a circle like that. And then I'm going to draw a bigger circle underneath that kind of intersects with that one. Okay, this is the basic shape of the body of the ukulele. Almost looks like a snowman, doesn't it? Okay, and then we're going to draw the top. This part is called the fretboard. And it goes up here like this. And then it kind of, at the top, it sort of comes out like that. Gets a little bigger at the top. And I didn't draw it very evenly, but that's okay. All right. So now that we've got that part drawn, I'm kind of going to go around my circles here, my snowman, and I'm just going to draw a darker line. This is the outline of the body of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Once you've got that drawn, then we can kind of erase the lines that we drew on the inside to get the basic shape. Okay, and now I see that it's a little bit uneven, so I'm gonna kind of change that a little bit and make it a little more so that both sides look more alike. Good enough. Okay, so next we're going to draw the hole in the middle here for the sound to echo inside the body of the ukulele. Okay, so it's just two circles, one inside the other. Okay, and down here is going to be a rectangle. This part, I believe, is called the bridge, and this is where the strings attach. And that looks about like that. Okay, now up here we're going to draw the tuning keys. So that's four little, these are actually little cylinders that the strings wrap around, and then the tuning keys kind of come out like this. They're shaped so that they're easy to turn with your fingers. The ukulele has 4 strings, so that's why I am drawing 4 tuning keys and 4 of these things, which I cannot remember what they are called. So now we're going to draw our strings. And our strings are going to come down like this, go across the sound hole, and go down to there. And then this one comes down the neck of the guitar, across the body, and this one comes down here. Notice that my lines are not very straight. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. And now we're going to draw these lines across the neck of the I almost said guitar, because this does look a little bit like a guitar and they have a lot of similarities. The neck, these lines across the neck of the ukulele are called frets. That's where you put your fingers to change the sound that the string makes when you strum it. Okay. Now we're about done. Now if you want, if yours kind of looks like mine and you can kind of see the lines below, you can color it. I used colored pencils to color the one that I printed out. I printed this, I did not draw that. It's really perfect. But I did color it in with using colored pencils. And you can make yours fancy and pretty as well if you would like. And you can really make it whatever color you want. Okay, so there's our ukulele. And the next thing we're going to do is write about it. Now today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. Usually we're writing stories, like made up stories. But today I want you to write something real. So you can either write about your own experiences with a ukulele, like have you ever played a ukulele? Or do you know someone who plays the ukulele? Do you like the way it sounds? You can write about your own experiences with the ukulele. Or you can do a little research if you would like and write about ukuleles. When were they invented? How are they different from a guitar? How are they different from other stringed instruments? What do they sound like? Those kinds of questions. You could look up the different parts of a ukulele and write about what each part is for. So either way, let's try to write about 4 sentences, a good 3 or 4 sentences. Write something about a ukulele. And I look forward to reading it. Okay, see you next time. Bye.